Today we have this very interesting math problem. If a square plus 1 is equal to a, then what will be the value of a to the power 12 plus a to the power 6 plus 1? We have to find that. So let's get started and see step-by-step solution. If you like this solution, please thumbs up and share it with your friends. It is given that a square plus 1 is equal to a. We are going to subtract 1 on both sides of this equation. So we have a square is equal to a minus 1 because this negative and positive 1 cancel out. A to the power 3 or a cube can be written as a times a square. Plugging in the value of a square, which is a minus 1, we are going to multiply this a by each term inside the bracket. We get a square minus a. A square is again a minus 1. This negative and positive a cancel out. A cube is equal to negative 1. To proceed next, we are going to take square of this equation on both sides. So left hand side a cube whole square. Using power of a power rule, these two powers can be multiplied. So that is equal to a to the power 3 times 2 is 6. And right hand side minus 1 square. Minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. A to the power 6 is equal to 1. We will take square of this equation once again. A to the power 6 whole square, which is equal to a to the power 12, and right hand side 1 square is equal to 1. A to the power 12 is equal to 1. Now we find out all the values. Let's plug in. A to the power 12 is 1, a to the power 6 is 1, plus 1, which is equal to 3. This is the final and required value we have to find out. I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, any query, feel free to ask to me in the comment box. You can visit the channel for more informative videos. Till then, take care. Bye.